Welcome to Product Critique, where we explore innovative solutions to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into a game changer for organizing your tools, the 5S Toolbox Shadow Foam Organizers. If you're tired of wasting time searching for misplaced tools, this product promises to transform your workspace into an envy-inducing setup. The 5S Toolbox Shadow Foam Organizers are customized with a striking black top and red bottom design. Made from aerospace-grade foam right here in the USA, this isn't your average tool organizer. It's built for durability, ensuring a lifetime of reliable use. Say goodbye to lost tools. Each tool has its designated spot, making retrieval and storage effortless. The black top and red bottom foam isn't just visually appealing, it serves a practical purpose. You can instantly spot missing tools and return them to their places with ease. Unlike cheaper alternatives, this foam organizer is crafted from high-quality materials, promising sturdiness and longevity. If you're ready to upgrade your tool organization game, look no further than the 5S Toolbox Shadow Foam Organizers. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Click the link in the description to get yours today and experience the difference firsthand. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more innovative product reviews, and ring the bell icon to stay updated. Until next time, stay organized and efficient with Product Critique.